NextVR provides access to immersive sports and entertainment broadcasts for a series of virtual reality headsets, but it had a large gap in the form of Oculus in its compatibility list. Now, the platform has finally deployed support for Oculus Rift and even for its independent brother, the Oculus Go. NextVR boss David Cole said the virtual reality community has been requesting the feature for a long time and that the company is simply answering the call. The platform has been broadcasting immersive events live and original since its launch in 2009, mainly sports and entertainment programming. In 2017, he broadcast a NYC Music Festival and even made an entire season of NBA games available to watch in virtual reality for League Pass subscribers. Earlier this year, the company also partnered with WWE for an immersive fighting experience that put fans at the center of the action. Oculus users can now download the free application from their headset store, although it is also available for PlayStation VR devices, HTC Vive Pro, HTC Vive, Windows Mixed Reality, Samsung Gear VR and Google Daydream.